Welcome to Clinical Tools Library, evidence-based scales and questionnaires designed to support healthcare professionals in practice. The General Self-Efficacy Scale assesses a person's perceived ability to manage challenging demands, overcome obstacles, and cope with stressful situations. It measures generalized confidence in initiating and maintaining goal-directed behavior across different circumstances. The scale contains 10 items that evaluate coping beliefs rather than specific skills or medical symptoms. Its main purpose is to identify perceived self-efficacy in clinical, community, and research settings. Findings may support assessment of psychological adaptation in people with chronic disease, mental health conditions, or other health-related challenges. The General Self-Efficacy Scale is indicated for adolescents and adults in both general and clinical populations. It is most useful for patients managing chronic illness, undergoing rehabilitation, or adapting to psychological and functional difficulties. The scale assesses perceived capacity to cope with challenging situations and supports self-management, treatment engagement, and adjustment. It is not disease-specific or diagnostic and should complement clinical assessment and condition-specific measures. The clinician should administer the General Self-Efficacy Scale as a self-report questionnaire containing 10 statements about perceived ability to manage challenges and achieve goals. The respondent should read each statement and select one response. Not at all true, hardly true, moderately true, or exactly true. The clinician should assign 1 point to 4 points, respectively, with no reverse-scored items. The clinician should then add the 10-item scores to obtain a total from 10 to 40. Higher scores indicate stronger perceived general self-efficacy. A score from 10 to 20 may be described as low, 21 to 30 as moderate, and 31 to 40 as high for general descriptive use. These bands are not universal clinical reference ranges. Interpretation should therefore prioritize validated norms for the relevant country, language, age group, and clinical population, because average scores vary across samples. The General Self-Efficacy Scale has no established sensitivity or specificity because it is a measure of perceived coping ability rather than a diagnostic test. Sensitivity is the proportion of individuals with a clinically defined condition whom a test correctly identifies. Specificity is the proportion of individuals without that condition whom it correctly classifies as negative. Validation studies have primarily examined reliability and construct validity, with reported internal consistency coefficients generally ranging from 0.75 to 0.91, rather than diagnostic accuracy. Therefore, no evidence-based percentage can be assigned to its sensitivity or specificity without a validated cutoff and an external clinical criterion. The General Self-Efficacy Scale was developed by Matthias Jerusalem and Ralf Schwarzer in Germany during the late 1970s and subsequently refined into its current 10-item form. The scale was formally described by Schwarzer and Jerusalem in 1995 and was designed to assess a broad, relatively stable belief in one's ability to manage difficult demands and adapt to stressful circumstances. Evidence from international validation research has supported its reliability and construct validity. In a study involving approximately 19,000 participants from 25 countries, Schultz and colleagues reported Cronbach alpha coefficients ranging from 0.75 to 0.91, with evidence that the items generally represented a single underlying factor across cultural settings. The scale has also demonstrated convergent and criterion-related validity through associations with self-esteem, dispositional optimism, perceived control, problem-focused coping, psychological well-being, and health-related behaviors, while showing inverse relationships with anxiety, depressive symptoms, and perceived stress. Research by Luszczynska and colleagues across 5 countries further supported its cross-cultural applicability and its expected relationships with adaptive coping and mental health indicators. Subsequent studies have generally replicated satisfactory internal consistency and positive associations with performance, adjustment, and recovery-related outcomes, although findings indicate that cultural context and translation quality can influence factor structure and score comparability. Thank you for watching. For complete information and official PDF resources, visit clinicaltoolslibrary.com or check the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more clinical insights.